In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert audio into your Google Slides presentation. Adding audio can enhance your slideshows, making them more engaging and interactive. Let's dive in and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to upload your audio file to Google Drive. Start by opening Google Drive on your computer. Look for the plus new button in the top left corner. This is your gateway to adding new files. Give it a click and then select File Upload from the drop-down menu. Now you'll navigate through your computer to find the audio file you want to include in your presentation. Once you've located it, go ahead and select the file. Now it's simply a matter of waiting for the upload to complete. You'll know it's done when you see the file listed in your drive. With the audio file safely in your Google Drive, the next step is to adjust its sharing permissions. Go back to Google Drive and find the audio file you just uploaded. Right-click on it and then select Share. A sharing settings window will open. Look for the section labeled General Access. By default, it might be set to Restricted. You'll want to change this to Anyone with the link so that your audio can play without any access issues during your presentation. Make sure that the permission is set to Viewer. Once everything looks good, click Done to save your changes. Now that your audio file is ready to go, let's move over to your Google Slides presentation. Open up the slide deck where you want to include the audio. Navigate to the specific slide that will feature the sound. In the top menu of your slides, click Insert. From the drop-down list, find and select Audio. This action will prompt a new window to pop up, displaying your available audio files from Google Drive. Locate the file you just uploaded and click on it, then hit Insert. You'll notice a speaker icon now appears on your selected slide, indicating the presence of an audio file. You can click and drag this icon, positioning it wherever you like within the slide. This speaker icon effectively serves as the play button for your audio. Take a moment to place it thoughtfully, perhaps in a corner where it complements your visual elements without obstructing them. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully inserted audio into your Google Slides presentation. Whether it's background music, a recorded speech, or sound effects, your presentation can now deliver your message louder and clearer. With practice, you'll seamlessly integrate audio to enhance your slide decks continually. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.